The best Roombas right now. iRobot's Roomba robot vacuums are the top contenders in the market, offering convenience and quality. But choosing the right Roomba can be a challenge. The iRobot Roomba J7 Plus is a massive upgrade in performance, aesthetic, and new features. It's our favorite Roomba ever, and our favorite robot vacuum overall. The iRobot Roomba i3 Plus provides the best bang for your buck. It's the most affordable Roomba model you can get that has the self-emptying feature. Want to learn more? Head to review.com.